Hi, this is Diana from DivineFractal.com, and we are continuing with our incredible story, The Sasquatch Message to Humanity, Conversations with Elder Kamooh. Chapter 11. The story of my people has not only been connected to the history of your people, but also to the destiny of our home planet. When the genetically modified Atlantean race you call Homo sapiens took over our home planet and chased our people and your Lemurian ancestry into the deepest wilderness, the ancient knowledge of our star elders and of my people was erased gradually from your memories. In the sacred books of your most ancient surviving civilization, dating from before the ice ages in a country you call India, the important contribution of my people, known as the Ape people, and our leader, Hanuman, were highly honored in our common efforts to fight the lower lords and reestablish the cosmic order on Earth. The stone bridge my people built to the island of Lanka can still be seen today as a reminder of this close bond between your ancestors and mine had back then. Over millennia, India became the highest concentration of density of human populations, and following the Dravidians, with later invasions of Aryan cultures unfamiliar with us, my people took refuge in the northern wilderness. In Europe, the pre-Indo-European cultures whom we helped build the megalithic monuments were familiar with us and called us the Bear People until the Celtic and Germanic invasions that made my people appear as evil ogres and threats. The extermination of the last of my people in that continent ended with the troll hunters in the Middle Age. It is quite significant that the Indo-European lineage, being more closely related genetically to the Atlantean race, has been the main culprit of our genocide. And this genocide of my people goes along with that of your tribal peoples, just as with the ongoing ecocide or omnicide being perpetrated intentionally by the lower powers enslaving our home planet. In what you call North America, my people could live along with your tribal peoples until the European invasion started. Along with the tribes of your indigenous peoples, just like with your previous Lemurian ancestry, my people were pushed ever further into the western and northern wilderness. The huge fires that caused terrible devastation in these areas this last season are part of a greater secret plan to speed up the extermination of your tribal peoples and of my people, your elder. This ultimate aggression is intended to cut, definitely, your spiritual connection with our star elders. The story of my people and of your tribal peoples in the land you call Australia is not much different. My people, known as Yahweh there, just like your tribal peoples, have kept moving deeper into the wilderness to escape from the genocide of the European conquest until becoming a mere legend. In the land you know as Siberia, my people there were called Almas, could live in peace with your tribal peoples familiar with us, as long as the Tsars of Russia were afraid of facing us. It changed a century ago when the Soviets, determined to conquer the lands we shared with your tribal peoples, decided to capture some of my people to conduct secret experiments with the means they had, starting with artificial insemination. Many hybrids were created from these secret programs, some of which walk on our earth today, but without the necessary spiritual knowledge and dharmic intentions. These secret experiments have always been commanded by the lower lords and backed by their technological powers, introducing some even more sophisticated techniques for genetic manipulation. As Siberia was being conquered, some of my people fled to the land called Tibet, where we still could live in peace with the local populations and communicate with some of their shamans and monks, until the empire you call China conquered our last stronghold on the lands across the oceans. The same tragic fate that met my people and your tribal cultures in other lands also hit tragically and painfully with genocide and torture. Those in Tibet who had kept their spiritual connection with our star elders. This is the end of chapter 11. You guys, I have to insert in here, there is an amazing lecture done by another YouTuber named Kinninigan, and it is called Rama's Bridge, and you guys need to check that out. This is Diana from DivineFractal.com, and until next time, be fearless, fill your heart with love, and create art. Love you guys.